In today's video, I want to show you guys what you can do if your volume on your remote is not working. Okay, for the first step, we can here click on the mute button or click on the higher or lower volume button. So this is the first thing we can do, and we also can go to the right here, click on display and sounds, and when we are here, click on the sounds or audio, and here we can turn on specific audio. But this not really helps because for most of you guys, you have to select your remote from your TV, because here you can turn on your like your volume or make it higher or lower. So what you have to do is not don't use this Fire TV Stick remote. You have to use the TV remote to make your TV louder or not. So this is the only thing you have to do, because there's no other way. If I could help you with this video, then please leave a like and subscribe. If not, write down in the comments, we will find the solution, and then see you next time.